Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Arevalo. And for today's episode 63, mga must-try foods by Ohhnod-Sunod Paras Arroz Caldo. Ohhnod-Sunod Paras Arroz Caldo is the newest Paras Arroz Caldohan here in Iloilo City. They're located at Osmeña Street, Mohon Terminal, Iloilo City. They're also available for Lechon Kawali Arroz Caldo with unlimited caldo for 75 pesos, Paras Arroz Caldo with egg with unlimited caldo for 65 pesos, Paras Arroz Caldo without egg for 55 pesos, and for Arroz Caldo with egg for 35 pesos. And for your drinks, for 15 pesos, Coke, Sprite, Royal, and bottled water. And this episode is sponsored by Ohhnod-Sunod Paras Arroz Caldo. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. For anything else, please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. And comment down below kung anong mga foods or products nyo gusto try and share this video to one of your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Drinking Nose at para always kayo updated sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po wag yung pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yon sa aking channel Drinking Nose. So I was invited for their grand opening and taste test review dun sa Mohon Terminal. Yung product na present nila sa akin or na featured is yung Paras Arroz Caldo with egg for 65 pesos. So first time ko matry yung Paras, especially for Arroz Caldo. It has a good balance of consistency when it comes sa Arroz Caldo texture and taste. On point siya. When it comes sa Paras, yung meats niya very tender, very savory, perfectly matched sa overall ingredients, especially sa boiled egg, and also further condiments like toyo, pepper, and also their homemade chili sauce. Ito, excellent yung quality when it comes sa heat and also for its spices. Nag-a-add siya lalo ng essence for its Paras Arroz Caldo, and also a squeeze of calamansi will add to your texture and overall outstanding product. Sobrang sulit siya when it comes sa budget, yung taste and quality, yung price range nila from 35 pesos up to 75 pesos. Suwak talaga sa panlasa ng mga Ilonggos na mahilig sa Arroz Caldo, especially for their signature paras. Mabubusog ka talaga when it comes sa superb and outstanding taste and quality. Okay, for me rating mga nose, I will give it a perfect 10. First of all, I would like to thank Sir Larry for inviting me and referring me to feature their brands, most especially their grand opening. So thank you so much, sir, for your full trust for Drinking Nose. So thank you so much sa lahat po bumubuo, sa owners, sa chefs, sa staff, dun sa Mohon Terminal, for Ohhnod-Sunod Paras Arroz Caldo, for inviting me, for accommodating me, for that wonderful dish. Sobrang na-enjoy ako. It's a perfect breakfast for me. In-expect ko na i-take out ko siya at bring home ko dito. So sobrang sarap, na ubos ko siya. May init pa, tapos maganda yung presentation, very eye-appealing. So swak na swak talaga siya when it comes sa appearance and taste value. Once again, congratulations and thank you to Ohhnod-Sunod Paras Arroz Caldo. Keep safe mga nose! Bye!